Was it not clear that I was just teasing earlier? Because I tell people exactly the same thing. I apologize. I'm just like, look, I'm so sorry. The reality of it is that I get a lot of emails. And I mean, you've probably seen me pull this at trade shows. I actually hate
Oh yeah,
trade
no,
shows. I
yeah.
get like the worst anxiety about it. And the reason is not because I don't love learning about new tech. I mean, Luke, you go through the same thing, quite honestly. You've been here. And it's not personal. It's just that I get this really bad anxiety at trade shows because, no offense to anyone else, and I'm not trying to make this like an ego thing or anything like that. Like, just like Felix, I think it's really easy for me to talk about this and have it come across totally the wrong way. But the reality of it is, when I go to a trade show, I meet every single time, I meet somewhere in the neighborhood of probably 200 to 400 people will introduce themselves to me. And that's ignoring the extras at like parties. Like, I'll go into a booth, there'll be a whole bunch of people that I've never interacted with before from like the European or Asian offices of some company. They'll all introduce themselves to me and say their names, and then I'll go and I'll do the same thing 45 minutes later with some other company. I'll do the same thing 45 minutes later. I'm running on basically no sleep, not enough food. Like, so what happens is you do this enough times, like I can't remember it. I'm not retaining it because when my brain's in trade show mode, it's in like, okay, I need to remember absolutely everything there is to know about this product so I can talk about it for 4 minutes without having to consult a piece of paper or
You're like
notes.
you're like pump and dumping memory. Yeah, like
Exactly.
I remember, and you taught me kind of how to do this way back. I don't know if you ever remember, but you'll remember almost nothing about a product like 5 minutes after you leave the booth, and it's just it has to be that way, or else you won't be able to do the next video. Like you
Exactly.
have to like be exchanging that memory as fast as you can.
And you get into this mode, you get into this groove. And so what happens is, unfortunately, because I've been going to trade shows for over 10 years, there will be people that I have met under these circumstances literally 5 or 6 or 7 times. And I will walk up and I'll be like, "Hi, Linus, nice to meet you." And they'll be like, "Yeah, we go through this every year." I feel so bad.
You got to stop saying nice to meet you. That was one of my tricks. I don't say
Yeah.
nice to meet you
Well,
anymore.
I would always try and get it right because I know I'm not going to remember the name. So I will try to at least get right whether I'm supposed to know who they are or not. But then
True.
sometimes I'd go for it. It'd be a clear miss, you know, and I just learned to accept that. There was this really nice guy who worked at Antec when I first met him, and who I think moved to, I want to say, Razer. And it was like, oh man, it was like 4 or 5 times I did this to him. And he was like, "Yep, I like flew out to the NCIX headquarters. I briefed you on this case. We had a one-on-one briefing for over an hour." And this time I really just didn't have any excuse because like, but the thing is, I was focused on the case. Like, that's how I
Yeah.
am. I'm like, I'm all about the product. I'm all about the tech. I'm not Luke, I'm gonna confess something. I'm gonna confess something on stream. I'm not much of a people person. You know, I I got into the you know this. You know
Yeah.
this. I got
Yeah.
into this line of work because I'm not a people person. The people happened by accident. I didn't ask for anyone to follow me. You know, I got tapped. I got tapped on the shoulder to make the tech channel because I cared more about memory timings than going out on, with my friends because I didn't have any. You know what I'm saying? I just
Yeah. I mean, I was kind of in the same spot. You're the one that kind of pushed me to go on camera originally.
Oh man. So anyway, the point is, I am basically exactly the same. I'm always apologizing to people for forgetting their names, for not replying to their emails because I have no brain space for that.